This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making steamed chicken with black fungus and mushrooms. For this recipe, you will need chicken. I have here a chicken that's been cut into pieces. Mushrooms. Black fungus. Here are 5 large red dates. You can use 6 to 7 red dates if they are smaller in size. Wolfberries. And ginger cut into matchsticks. First, let's soak the dried mushrooms and the fungus for 30 minutes. This is bone-in chicken parts. Bone-in chicken parts will give you more flavour. You can use boneless chicken as well. Marinate this chicken with like soy sauce, sesame oil, cooking wine, sugar, a dash of white pepper. Mix all this really well. And set it aside. For the mushrooms, when they are soft, remove the stems and cut them into 3 to 4 slices. Drain the black fungus and tear up the larger pieces. After 15 minutes of marinating the chicken, add in the corn flour. Mix all this really well. Then, put in the wolfberries, dates, ginger, mushrooms, and the black fungus. Give this another good mix. In your wok, when the water has come to a boil, put in the chicken and steam it at high heat for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we are done. But remember to adjust for seasoning. This is a very easy weeknight dish, chicken steamed with black fungus and mushrooms.